What adventure would you like to go on today? Gotcha. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's adventure, we will be taking a girls trip to Fall Creek Falls near Spencer, Tennessee. We're gonna be swimming, hiking, and finding the waterfalls, of course. Fall Creek Falls is the highest free-fall waterfall east of the Mississippi River. It measures 256 feet. Yeah, it's about to rain. Fall Creek Falls was ranked the best state park in the Southeast United States by Southern Living Readers, Traveler's Choice, and TripAdvisor.
Right here. Oh, that means there's something down there. Danger, danger. Water all the way right there.
You think?
Yeah.
Touch and see.
It's red like that. Is it damp?
Mm-mm.
Ooh, something cut that down. What's that guy? Okay. That was the last time.
I don't think this is it.
What about the cars?
Look, there's that car right there. There's her car, like literally. Were you all able to see the falls, like where you're able to go down to swim? Or you can't go down
No,
that
we
way?
can't figure out how to get there.
Oh, you were trying to figure it out?
That sign right there says lower loop trail. I was thinking maybe it's that. I
Yeah.
don't know.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Good luck.
Fall Creek Falls has plenty of camping. There are 222 campsites, 2 group camps, and over 130 cabins and villas. There's also an 18-hole golf course.